How to download Diablo Immortal on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're on Android and you'd like to download and install the Diablo Immortal game, first of all, launch open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar and type in Diablo Immortal. Once you do that, from the search result, look for the install button to begin downloading the app. Now wait for the Diablo Immortal game to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. It'll take a while depending upon your internet speed. Once the app installs, tap on the play button, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Diablo Immortal game on your device. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.